If you're an organization that leverages videos to educate or train your customers, maybe videos for tech support, maybe videos for product information, or maybe training videos on how to even use your product, and you're interested in managing it very easily with the FileMaker platform, then I've got a great solution for you. In early 2019, my team developed a website called tryfilemaker.com. Now, the underlying technology that drives this website, well, I'm going to make it available to you. So what does this site do? Well, first off, sending customers to YouTube or Vimeo or some website like that can kind of be a pain because the customers are being constantly bombarded by other videos about the most favorite cat toy or the most amazing fail that you might see for the week. YouTube and similar websites are very distracting. So if you want to keep your customer focused on your message, you really need to deliver the video without the YouTube interface, and that's what we've done. We've built a FileMaker system where you can actually manage the videos on the FileMaker side, and as you change the data in your FileMaker database, that is instantaneously reflected on your video page. Now in this demo that we have right here, we have about 30 different videos that talk to people about the FileMaker platform. That's just an example. I mean, it's interesting content, but if you already know about the FileMaker platform, then you don't need to worry about those videos. However, what makes it really cool is that you can have the videos in sections. You can actually default to have those sections roll down or roll up. In fact, what's really cool about it is that the videos are actually still hosted on YouTube, so they deliver the content in a reliable way. But when people want to see the videos, well, you just link to this special page that's part of your existing website. Make sense? So if you have some tech support videos about product A or how to use product B, that type of thing, then you can shoot the videos, produce them, upload them to YouTube, and just put the links and the technical information in your FileMaker application. Additionally, it is searchable, so you can search for a keyword and have that displayed very easily. Now, if your area needs to be password protected, well, we have that figured out as well by checking off a checkbox, which implements password security. And of course, you can put different usernames and passwords in the system. Now, because I really built this system for ourselves, I paid and invested and built it, well, we added a couple other features that we thought were really important. Being able to strictly control the sort order of these videos is something that we added as well. We wanted our videos to be presented on the list in a very specific order. But once again, what's really cool about this is that to make changes to this page, all you have to do is go into FileMaker and make the change in FileMaker, and that is instantly reflected up on your web page. Now, we're not using FileMaker's WebDirect technology. WebDirect is designed to be used by a limited number of modern browsers and is not designed for public-facing websites. So, for example, if you have an Android user on an older version of an Android device, WebDirect, for example, wouldn't work. So we built all this using modern PHP and FileMaker's data API. That's a bunch of tech talk, but the short version is that it uses the latest capabilities that are part of the FileMaker platform. It actually talks to your FileMaker server, and the pages are delivered with real HTML that is responsive to the user's computer or their device. So as you resize the screen for a tablet or a phone, it still works. Now, to be honest, if you want to build this technology yourself, you're going to need to set down a developer, you need to spec it out, and they're going to spend anywhere from 2 to 5 days coding this out and QAing and testing it. And so realistically, if you want to roll your own, you're probably talking about a minimum of $5,000, if not more. However, we're willing to share this code with you if you want to talk to one of our senior engineers about having them set it up for you. So that's kind of the catch, right? We could resell this package, but the reality is that you have to be a very senior developer to be able to make the JavaScript edits and the other code edits under the hood to make it work with FileMaker, right? It's very much a senior skill set. So if you have, say, less than 7 or 8 years of experience and you're not certified, then probably it's something you can't do. In fact, most likely it's something you can't do. So if you need technology like this, you don't want to write it yourself, then I recommend you reach out to support at RC Consulting. We will connect you to a senior engineer, and they will actually look at getting this rolled out for you, and they're just going to charge you for the time to customize it for you. They're not going to charge you for the actual code. We're going to give that code to you. All you have to do is pay for our time to implement it, and you're set. So realistically, you could have this deployed with less than a day of work. Of course, since it's customizable, you can request additional customizations. And of course, you would want to come up with some sort of branding and color scheme and maybe font selection as well. So if you're interested in this and you want to play with it a bit more, check out tryfilemaker.com and or email us at support@rcconsulting.